Hi everyone, I'm Brian Corey, the store manager at Huffman's Car Wash by the Latham Circle. The next couple weeks we're going to be doing some major renovations here at this particular car wash, so we're going to be closed until Thursday, June 28th. While this may be an inconvenience to some of you, we promise you will see the long-term benefits. We're going to be installing new equipment that will improve the cleaning and drying experience, along with some key renovations to the property. For our Unlimited Club members, you'll still be able to use any one of our other 15 locations, exterior or full service. You can follow the renovations at HuffmanCarWash.com or on Facebook at Huffman Car Wash. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.